Was this before it catches the light?
Yeah.
Okay. Jimmy?
A man discovers fire.
Lighting a cotton wool
After
jumper.
the first part.
Lighting a cotton wool jumper.
Which I don't like.
It just singes it.
We need to put it in a bit longer.
We need WD-40.
No.
You want to sit on top there?
You're just gonna fry.
Okay.
There goes the battery. My battery exploded.
They're back. So I think I should get the full effect.
Oh my god!
James, step out of the way. Do that.
Get away.
I'm putting this on YouTube. I think we should go back that way. Look at it, it's like proper lighting up the garden. This is like better than fireworks. This costs nothing. Dude, Greg. Well, we tied it up good.
I can't bear in ginger ale.
I'll put it in, see if it goes up.
Wait, is this water or not? Look at that.
James, it's been sitting there for ages.
It smells like water.
Touch it. Touch it.
Put a little bit on that. It might be low fluid.
No, put it out.
No, it's ginger ale.
Oh, we use just put it out if we need to.
Oh shit, I just fucking it.
Good, good.
Well, we're gonna have to use that.
What's the time?
That looks fucking wow good. I don't even know.
I have our photo.